everyone, my name is Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about theory of a set with MCQ, especially for UGC Net in Economics. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. For example, set of consumer goods, apples, bananas, milk, bread, set of active production, capital, labor, land, consumer budget set. X and Y are quantities of goods, Px and Py are price of goods, I is income, and this set shows affordable combination of X and Y goods with given price and given income of a consumer. Consumer can spend equal to or less than his income, but a rational consumer cannot spend more than his income. Now we will see types of a set. Disjoint set. When two or more set have no common element, it will be called disjoint set. For example, this is set of consumer who always buy imported goods. This is set of consumer who always buy domestic goods. There is no common factor between A and B consumer, so it will be called disjoint set. Equivalent set. When two or more set have exactly same number of element. In this set include 50 workers, in this set include 50 machinery. Both set have exactly same number of elements, so it will be called equivalent set. Finite set consists countable number of element. Infinite set include uncountable number of element. Singleton set include only one element. For example, make a set of natural number which is bigger than 11 but smaller than 13. There is only one number 12. So in this set consists only one element. It will be called singleton set. Empty set consists no element. For example, make a set of month with 32 days. There is no month with 32 days. So in this set consists no element. It will be called empty set. Subset. If every element of A is also element of B, then A will be called subset of B. If every element of A is also an element of B, then A will be called subset of B. For example, as we know, luxurious goods are part of consumer goods. This set belongs to luxurious goods and this set belongs to consumer goods. So here you can see luxurious goods are part of consumer goods. So we can say that A is a subset of B because every element of A also an element of B. So we can represent a subset by this symbol. Power set. Power set consists all possible subset of a given set plus empty set and set itself. Power set consists all possible subset of given set plus empty set and set itself. This is our given set and all possible subset of this given set are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. These all are possible subset of this given set. So in this set you can see include all possible subset of given set plus empty set. This belongs to empty set plus set itself. This is set and set itself. So in this set you can see all possible subset are consist plus empty set consist plus set itself consist. So it will be called power set. There are two forms, tabular or you can say roster form. Second is set builder form or you can say rule method. In roster form, we simply represent set by listing all elements within curly braces and separate them with commas. Here you can see set of first 6 natural number in roster form. Now we will convert roster form into set builder form. We will represent all these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the X. And n represent natural number because all these number are natural number. And for belongs to we use this symbol, such that, such kind we use this symbol. So here you can see such kind of X means all these element belongs to family of a natural number. Such that, such kind we use this symbol. For belongs to we use this symbol. For natural number we represent by n. So such kind of X belongs to family of a natural number plus X are less than 7. Here you can see all elements are less than 7. So it will be called set builder form. Now we will see operations of a set. First of all, we will see complement of set. We will find complement of a set. U is a universal set, A is a subset of universal set. A dash represent complement of A. A dash includes set of all elements that are present in U but not in A. A dash includes set of all elements that are present in U but not in A. So here you can see 1, 3, 5 are present in U but not in A. That's why A dash will be called complement of A. We will see other example. Universal set is entire working age population. A is the actual employed people. A is subset of U. A is part of U. A dash include set of working age people who are not actually employed. So here you can see A dash is part of U but not part of A. That's why A dash will be called complement of A, because complement of A means set of all elements that are present in U but not in A. Now we'll see union and intersection. A set, B set. When we write element of both set together but without any repetition, it will be called A union with B. Means we will write element of both set together but we will not repeat any element. It will be called A union with B. In case of intersection, we will write a common element. B and D are common between these two sets. So it will be called A intersection with B. Difference between A and B. A set, B set. In order to find difference, first of all we will remove common element. 4, 5, 4, 5 are common. So first of all we remove common element. Now we will write all remaining element of A, not any element of B. So these three are remaining element of A. So it will be called a difference between A and B. Now we will say union, intersection and difference with Venn diagram. In case of union, we merge both set together but without any repetition. In case of intersection, we just include a common element. In case of difference, we remove elements of B, plus we also remove common elements. We just include remaining element of A. We just include this part in case of difference. Now we will see important laws of set theory. First is commutative law of set theory. According to commutative laws, order of set will not affect final result for union and intersection. According to commutative law, order of set will not affect final result for union and intersection. That's why union of A and B is same as union of B and A. Similar, intersection of A and B is same as intersection of B and A according to this law. Associative laws. According to associative laws, the grouping of 3 or more set in union or intersection will not affect final result. According to this law, grouping of 3 or more set in union or intersection will not affect final result. Associative law for union. That means first of all we will do A union with B, then we will do union with C. Similar, first of all we will do union B with C, then we will do union with A. But these both are same, these both are exactly equal to each other, because grouping of 3 or more set in union or intersection will not affect final result. Similar, this is associative law of intersection. Here in place of a union we have intersection, but meaning is same. Distributive laws. These laws describe how operation of union and intersection are interact with each other. Distributive law describe how operation of union and intersection interact with each other. Intersection over union. A intersection, we have intersection sign. A intersection, we distribute A intersection between B and C. Here you can see we distribute A intersection with B, plus we also distribute A intersection with C. Here we have union symbol, that's why same symbol we put here. And this is union over intersection. Here we have A union. Now we distribute A union between B and C. Here you can see we distribute A union with B and with C. Here we have intersection sign, same sign we apply here, and both are exactly same. Now we will see some questions. Who is creator of set theory? Right answer C, Cantor. Consider following a statement. Set of all irrational number between 0 and 1 is infinite set. Set of all prime number is a finite set. Very simple. Only one statement is right. Set of all rational number between 0 and 1 is infinite set. So our right option is A. Consider following a statement. This is empty set. This is singleton set. Empty set consists no element. Without any element, set will be called empty set. According to this, our x should satisfy this condition as well as this condition. When we solve this, you can see we will find x root 3 plus minus. This is irrational number. We need rational. That means we will not include any element in our set. If we not include any element in our set, it will be called empty set. So our first statement is right. According to second statement, this is singleton set. Singleton set only include one element. So here we need x which is even prime number. As we know, 2 is only one even prime number. That means in our set we will include only one element which is 2. So it will be called singleton set. So this statement also right. So our option C is right. Both first and second statement are true. Consider following a statement. This is finite set. This is infinite set. We have to tell only one statement is true or only second statement is true or both are true or both are false. Here you can see our x belongs to integers plus also satisfy this condition. When we split the middle term and solve this equation, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. That means in our set consists two elements, 2 and 3, and both are integer and we can easily count this. So this set is a finite set. As we know, finite set means where number of element we can easily count. We can easily count these two elements and both are integers. So our first statement is true. Second statement, our x belongs to integers. X square is even. As we know, integers are infinite. Their square obviously will infinite. After square, even integer will also infinite. That's why second statement also true. So our C is our right option. Both first and second statement are true. In economics, set of all combination of goods and services that consumer can afford at a given price and given income will be called our right option budget set. If A represents set of consumer who buy brand X, B represents set of consumer who buy brand Y. The set of consumer who buy both brand X as well as Y is represented by our right option B, intersection, because the intersection shows common elements. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.